Hi everyone, this video contains demonstration of activities found in Quarter 3 Module 5 titled The Arrangement of the Elements in the Periodic Table. Here are three challenging words we're going to unlock before we start. First is vertical, which means upright position or standing. Patindog sa Ilonggo, patayo in Filipino. And looks like that. Then horizontal, which means side to side or sideways. In Ilonggo, pahigda, and in Filipino, it's pahalang. And it looks like that. In straight line, of course, class. And then the last one is arrangement, how things are put in order, or pagkaplastar. So when your teacher will say, arrange your chairs, get your chairs, and then iplastar siya nga pas straight line para nami tulokon. The elements in the periodic table are arranged in two ways. First is arranged in increasing atomic number. Let me show you. That's element 1, 2, 3, 4, down to 54. What's Hiligaynon, class? Hydrogen has 1 proton, right? We discussed that the atomic number is equal to the number of protons. Then, ang helium naman has 2 protons, so atomic number 2. Then down to 54. Gapadamo ang gapadamo. And then, of course, the last one is oganeson, which is 118, meaning ang iyang protons, pinakadamo, 118. Ang pinakajutay, hydrogen, isa, pinakadamo is 118, which is oganeson, ari sa dalo. Halin sa jutay, asa sa pinakadamo. Then, of course, don't forget that lanthanides here is the continuation of element 56, and the actinide here, nga series, is a continuation of element 88. Quick check for 5 seconds. Arrange the elements in increasing atomic number. 5 seconds starts now. Let's see kung correct. So phosphorus mauna kay 15 ang atomic number, then gold kay 79 ang number, and then acetylene last kay 85. Another 5 seconds to arrange the elements in example number 2. Let's see kung correct. Of course, mauna si hydrogen kay isa ang atomic number or 1, then masunod si boron kay 5, and last si cobalt kay 27. If you got 2, very good! The second way to arrange the elements is according to groups and periods. So the periodic table of elements has 18 groups. When we say group, it is the vertical arrangement of elements. So again, non-vertical means patindog, like that, patayo. So these are the 18 groups. That's group 1, 2, 3. And then, as you can see, yellow arrows ni yellow mading sa dalo, meaning all the elements here in the lanthanide and actinide series or group will go with group number 3. Buot silingon, tanan nga elements diri belong to group number 3. Ha, hindi malipat. Next are group 4, 5, 6, until 18. Ari class ang ilan number sa babaw ha? 1, 2, ara na ilan number? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. That's why 18 groups. Okay, patindog, vertical arrangement of elements. And don't forget that the elements in the actinide and lanthanide groups will go with group number 3. Don't forget. Periods, on the other hand, is the horizontal arrangement of elements. When we say horizontal, ano gani? Sideways or pahigda. Let me show you. This is period 1, then period 2, period 3, 4, 5, 6. So, di ba kita nyo, pareha sila red color? Because that means that element 57, pakita ko. Wait, ay, panason ta. There. So that's element 57. Element 57 goes with period 6, and then there. Element 89 goes with period 7. So 56 is continuation, 57 is the continuation of 56 Well, 89 is the continuation of 88. Don't forget that. So there are only 7 periods. Here's a quick check. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to answer how many groups of elements are there in the periodic table. Timer starts now. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 18. So, adiklas ang number sa babaw ha. 1, 2, then 3 all the way to 12, 13 to 17, adidiri, and then of course 18. For 5 seconds, tell me how many periods of elements are there in the periodic table. Timer starts now. Let's see. Of course, there are 7. And don't forget that the lanthanide series goes with period 6, and the actinide series over here goes with period 7. Apart from being arranged, the elements are also classified into 3. The first one are the metals, then nonmetals, and the last one are the metalloids. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. That's why ginagamit sila sa kuryente sa aton balay. Like ang saway, then ining lithium, ginagamit ni sa battery sa cellphones. Meaning dasig mag-agi ang heat and electricity sa ilang um, atoms. Then, the nonmetals naman are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Example, ini yung oxygen, tapos ang nitrogen. Oxygen is gas, right? Nitrogen naman is, ang muling ginagamit usually sa mga fertilizers. And then the last one are the metalloids, which are also known as semiconductors, because they have metallic and non-metallic properties. They allow heat and electricity to pass through, pero hindi parehas nga amount sa metals. For example, ining silicon. Ang silicon, class ginagamit ni siya sa mga botelya, like Mountain Dew. Kung ang Mountain Dew nga botelya, mabutang siya sa initan, di ba gainit man gid ang botelya. Pero kung i-compare mo, kung diin mas dasig mag-init ang Mountain Dew nga botelya or ang luwag nga metal, syempre mas dasig mag-init ang metallic nga luwag kumpara sa botelya. Because ang botelya is metalloid ang iyang nga unod nga element. For 5 seconds, classify the element with the heart. 5 seconds starts now. Tell the class what kind of element is boron. And if you answered metalloid, you're correct. Next, 5 seconds, identify what magnesium is. Let's see, if you answered metal, you're correct. If you got 2, very good. Heads up, in the next slides, you're going to practice with me how to identify the element symbol, group number, period number, and classification. Let's start. Let us find oxygen to give the correct answers. So oxygen is found here. The element symbol is O. Then the group number is 16 because this is 16 here. Period number is found here. So the answer is 2. And then classification, since it's found in this side, it is a nonmetal. Next, let's find actinium. Actinium is found here. Actinium, the element symbol is AC. You've learned that in grade 7, that when you write the element symbol, the first letter should be big letter and then followed by a small letter. Then the group number is, we discussed that it should belong to number 3, group number 3, period, a continuation of 7, and classified as metals. Our last example is sodium. Let's find sodium. Sodium is this element. The symbol is Na. Group number is 1. Period number is 3. And of course, classified as a metal. So I hope you got the correct answers. I hope you're happy. I know you participated. That's why you're going to be able to answer the activities in class correctly. See you in class, everyone. That's all for today. Bye.